So if you want to install a new waste for your washing machine or dishwasher, this is all you have to do. Get your waste pipe, put a piece of pipe into that standpipe, water, make sure that's there, install your washing pipe, your water feed inlet, core through this plasterboard. So I've just used this core bit to drill through there, which in turn will take that. Now I'm going to use an 8mm bit to screw through each one of these, which I have got. I've got a towel bit here that's 8mm, so I'm going to use that just to get through the plasterboard. Then I'm going to use 8mm plugs, Fisher. These will just open up behind the screws and fix this. It's only a waste pipe, so you don't need anything more substantial than that. Okay, so I've pushed the plugs in, just that last one to give it a tap in, and they'll open up behind the plasterboard now. All I've got to do is screw it in. And that is your waste installed. Now, I'm going to be solving cement on the outside, put an elbow in. I'm going to link this up there, that straight into the grid. Job done. That's it. Job done. There's your inlet. Waste comes up the wall, drops straight into the grid, solvent it up. Just need a clean up, clean that grid out, brick that back in at a later date. Shove it down there for now, it's not going to hurt nothing. And now I think I can sort out getting me washer pipe sorted, get this washing machine out of here, get it into here I think. But first I'll have a hoover up, get all that done. I'm going to test my pipe in a minute, make sure that water doesn't leak out at anywhere before I push the washer into there. Brilliant. I've just marked out my back box there properly now for the electric, which is this. I'm going to cut that out with my multi-tool, as my mate calls it, the wife. It does everything. And then I'm going to find these wires, pull them out, and get them sorted in this box. That's the box in. Well, it's only loosely fitting with the cables found. And I'm going to do that for the rest of them now.